Well, Hyderabadi cuisine for the uninitiated is wonderful, typical home-style food which is yet to be commercialized. One such recipe that I'm showing you today is a Hyderabadi Dalcha. Well, Hyderabadi Dalcha finds its influences in the north of India, a dal which is called a Tripolia dal, a combination of 3 lentils, chana dal, masoor dal, moong dal, and bringing in the Telangana influences from Bottle Gourd and some spices. Very typically, dhania, which is coriander seeds, garam masala, lots of mint and fried onions. When all of this comes together, of course, you feel like Hyderabad in a plate. It also finds its influences from the north of India, the Mughlai khana, the Persian khana, and the tang and the fieriness of the Telangana cuisine. Let's begin with the dalcha. The hero ingredient, of course, along with the dal, also happens to be bottle gourd. We mix the 3 dals, that is chana dal, moong dal, and masoor dal. We wash them nicely, we soak them for a couple of hours. 3 to 4 is just about perfect. And then we drain the water. Now, this goes in the pressure cooker. Time to add in roughly cut red onions, some tomatoes, coriander leaves, mint leaves, crushed ginger, water, and salt. Let's cover the lid and allow this to pressure cook on medium flame for 20 minutes or till the dals are completely well cooked. It's been 4 whistles, and with this, off goes the flame. Allow the pressure to kind of subside, and after that we'll be adding in the bottle gourd, which is peeled and thickly sliced. If it's too large, you just cut it into 2 and then cut it thick, and along with that kasuri methi, and then again we give it a couple of whistles. Let's whisk the mixture well, ensure everything blends well, and with this we add in the bottle gourd along with kasuri methi. Time to add in some spices, beginning with turmeric powder, garam masala, and red chili powder, a touch of it for that vibrant color. Let's stir this well and cook this under pressure for 2 whistles or for 15 minutes on medium flame. The idea is now to cook the bottle gourd. The flame has been turned off and the pressure has also kind of settled. This is the time when we open and quickly check. Just 1 stir. And you keep it aside, and now let's move on to the tempering. Let's begin with regular oil. Let's add in cumin seeds, couple of red chilies, and sliced red onions. Once the onions start browning like so, and the chilies of course have turned a tad crispier, let's add in the boiled lentil mixture. Let's add in some salt as required to adjust the flavor. Give this a good stir and allow this to bubble on low flame for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Of course, you can add in the water to adjust the consistency, but this for me is just about perfect. Wonderful, delicious to say the least. Well, absolutely comforting, earthy, and lightly spiced. For the days when you don't want to make a separate vegetable, this recipe of a dalcha is just about perfect with the goodness of lentils and the magic of bottle gourd. Imagine the creaminess comes from the chana, the meatiness, the earthiness comes from the masoor, and the lightness comes from the moong dal. This goes amazingly well with chapati, butter chapati or ghee chapati if I may add in, or with a bowl of hot steamed rice. This is me, Varun Inamdar, signing off. Bye for now.